Hello, this is NASA. We have a good press conference to report this morning. Our members are discovering something that is combining to a star next to the planet Jupiter.
John,
What?
there's a black hole next to us.
A black hole?
Yes.
Where?
Just next to Mars.
Oh no, what do we...
Emergency statement has been identified. Black hole has been spotted near Mars. It can suck the entire galaxy. Please go somewhere safe and do not go outdoors. Stay safe and we will keep you updated by National News TV 9.
Expo 67 in Montreal.
Trees, forest, bush? Try the 21st century.
We just couldn't believe it, that it was even possible to build the island there and put up big buildings and, to people to come and visit. It was just incredible.
This is a worldwide alert. The black hole is confirmed to suck up Earth. For your emergency, the government wants to thank you for everything in Canada. Now will be the final time of our Canadian closing.